here to officially close school year 2013-2014. I know you have just been relieved of the stress you experienced during your closing exercises. I'm sure most of you now are very eager to be free from daily school routine so as to fully enjoy the summer vacation with your loved ones and to carry out plans and projects for family prosperity. But then, let us be sure to have accomplished all the reports required of us. I hope you don't let those in charge of certain reports or tasks be waiting for you. Instead, have the courage and willingness to finish them so that your school will not be late in the final submission. Remember, my dear co-workers, that we are one and that we have to work for the good of all. If we have developed this so-called cooperative learning to our pupils, I am confident that we, the implementors, also practice cooperation. That's why I am anticipating that you should not feel nor show any hesitation when your district head or school head or the LGU needs our cooperation, most especially during town festival. My fellow workers, I take this very opportune time to express my sincere appreciation for a job well done during your closing exercises. I know you have done your best, and I congratulate everybody for that. Nevertheless, I have only few suggestions for improvement in the succeeding closing programs or exercises, and I hope you will take them positively. Again, this is only for these are only suggestions for improvement. I noticed that some schools have very nice printed closing programs for invitation, but their actual programs were somewhat unsatisfying. Buti na lang na tayo bisita ng Education Office. Yan ang mahirap kung may bisita tayo po doon. So, be patient enough to have series of rehearsals before your scheduled programs so that you can still improve the delivery of the different parts. Avoid too much ad-libs, most especially in the presentation of awards to the awardees. Another one, sometimes we forget